Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's time tracking by Harvest PowerUp. First up, you'll need to enable the Harvest PowerUp on your Trello board. Head to Menu, then Power-Ups, and find Harvest. This tool is key to documenting how much time you're spending on each task, which helps with efficiency and time management. Now that we've done that, we have to connect our Harvest account to Trello. Click on the Harvest PowerUp button on your Trello card, then select Connect Account. The reason we do this is to ensure seamless integration of data between the two platforms, making your time tracking easier and more accurate. Next up, we're going to start tracking time. Open the Trello card you're working on, click on the Harvest PowerUp button, and tap Track Time. This helps us because it starts a new timer in Harvest, specifically for the task on your Trello card. To stop the timer, click on the Harvest PowerUp button again and select Stop Timer. It's crucial to remember to stop the timer once you're done with a task. Doing so will ensure that you're accurately tracking your time, helping you understand how long each task takes and potentially boosting productivity. Finally, at the end of the day or week, you can review your time logs. Open the Harvest PowerUp and select View Time Logs. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Harvest gathers all the time you've tracked, giving you an overview of how your time was spent. This is important because it allows for better time management and planning for future tasks. And that's it. Simple, isn't it? By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficient time tracking with Trello's Harvest PowerUp. Remember, understanding how you spend your time is the first step to working smarter. Catch you in the next one.